Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 5 Sephora products. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla and on this channel, I share ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If these kinds of things interest you, then please subscribe down below. Okay guys, so the first product we're gonna start off with is the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I know this foundation is really old, however, this foundation thus far, because I've tried so many foundations, is still hands down my favorite foundation. Sometimes I go in between this one and the NARS foundation, however, this one still for some reason still wins. So I use this foundation in the color 420. I do have oily skin. I would probably say combination skin, but I'm mostly oily. Like I get really oily in this section, all like in my T-zone area. And this foundation holds my oils in very well. If you don't have oily skin, I would not recommend this foundation for you because it does leave my face pretty matte. Not sure if you can tell, but my face is pretty matte. So if you do have dry skin, this foundation may not be for you. Another pro to this foundation is that it goes a long way. Like I literally only have to use 2 pumps. If I'm using like the beauty blender, or in this case where I do have the Fenty Beauty blending sponge, I do have to use a couple more pumps because I feel like the foundation gets soaked up in the sponge. But if I just apply it with like my finger and I just put little dots on my face, or if I use the back of a brush and I put it on my face that way, I only have to use 2 pumps. My second favorite Sephora product is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I know you've probably all heard of this, but I've tried so many translucent powders and I still find myself using this one instead. I'm not sure if it's the formula, how thin it is. It literally melts in my skin. I've used the Fenty Beauty one, which still melts into my skin. However, it leaves a hue. I'm not sure if that's because of the color that I picked, but that was the color that matched my skin best. And that's the problem with certain setting powders. When they start adding like dark, light, those kinds of things, you end up stuck or limited in a sense. So I like this one because it's translucent and for some reason it just fits my skin tone really well. The third Sephora product that I am in love with is the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette. So this product right here, I've mentioned before, I am not an eyeshadow girl. I do not know how to put colors together. I don't know how to use transition colors, and it's just a lot. Believe it or not, putting on eyeshadow, applying eyeshadow, creating a look is a lot of work. Just like how some people can't style certain outfits but can put together an eyeshadow look, the same thing goes for me. So I really struggle with eyeshadow. However, I find that with this palette, it's so easy to put an eyeshadow look together. Another thing that I love about this product right here is that the pigmentation of these eyeshadows is just amazing, especially on someone like my skin tone, or darker, or let's say a little lighter. Sometimes it's just hard to get colors to actually show on your skin. However, this product right here shows beautifully on your eyelids. I'm showing you right here the look that I came up with. Don't come for me because I know it's not probably the most beautiful look. Like I said, I'm not an eyeshadow connoisseur. That's not my thing. I prefer just putting on makeup and just leaving my eyelids with just foundation or a little bit of concealer. If you look back at a few of my videos, you'll notice that if I do put something on my lids, it's most likely my bronzer that I just take as I'm going through my face, and I just put a little bit to give a little bit of definition to my lids. Look how stunning. Look at that. Oh, I am just I'm obsessed with it, literally obsessed. Most times you get a brush and a palette and it's just a waste of time. However, this brush applies really well. I used it to put the colors Zam and Soleil on my eyelid and it went on beautifully. I can literally go on and on and on about this product, but I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet. So we're gonna move on to my fourth product. However, guys, this eyeshadow palette is amazing. The fourth Sephora product that I am currently loving is the Fenty Beauty Eyebrow Pencil. This product, guys, is, I don't know, I don't even know how to, I want to say amazing. I love it. It's stunning. It's literally all of those things and more. I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, but I found this. I went into Sephora one day and was looking at the Fenty Beauty products because if you'll notice in this video, I love Fenty Beauty products. Like, she puts in work and you can tell there's like an attention to detail with her products. So I tend to check her products out because I know that it will be quality. But I went in just to look at stuff and I found this eyebrow pencil. Originally, I was kind of hesitant just because of the brush. And I've actually grown to love this brush. Like, I literally love how it brushes my eyebrow hairs. I don't wax my eyebrows. I don't pluck them. I don't do anything to my eyebrows. These are literally how they've always looked because I've never gotten them done. However, this brush works really well. Then on to the actual brow pencil in itself. I love, of course, that you don't have to sharpen it. That was one of the cons to my brow pencil, the Anastasia brow pencil. Literally, the shavings from that brow pencil have left a mess in my makeup bag. Like, my concealers are destroyed, the tops of them. And yeah, so I love that you don't have to sharpen this. And for the most part, because it's so thin, it literally applies with precision, especially for someone like me who, like I mentioned, I don't do my brows. It can get a little difficult because my eyebrow hairs can be all over the place. So to bring them down and keep them down and shape my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil, it does a really good job. And I love the color that I have. I have this in the black brown. If you have not tried out this brow pencil, I definitely recommend that you go out there and you grab yourself one and check it out for yourself. The fifth and final Sephora product that I am currently loving is, yes, of course, the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So I don't know if you noticed, but throughout this video, I had a couple trial size products. So my Laura Mercier setting powder was in the trial size, and I also have the lip gloss in the trial size. That is just a little quick tip if you're out there trying out products is, yes, Sephora gives you trial sizes or trial amounts, but if you want to really try something out, I would recommend that you get the trial size and see if you actually love the product. And I got this lip gloss in the trial size, and I'm going to get the actual product, like the regular size lip gloss, because I truly love this lip gloss. I love how it applies. I love how it looks on my lips. I love that this lip gloss, you know, some lip gloss, you put them on your lips and they kind of, I don't know, like get sticky and gooey, and it feels gross. However, this lip gloss does not do that. It feels so soft on the lips and it smells amazing. Like, I'll catch myself sometimes just taking it out and like, which if you catch me doing this, don't judge me. Just know that I love the smell of this product. Like, it smells, I don't know, like not like strawberries, but it has like this amazing fruity smell. So this came in this trial right here, and it came with, actually, which I'm not adding to my top only because I said I'm gonna do 5, but this highlighter, the Hustler Baby highlighter, guys, This, I guess I could make this like a bonus product, but this highlighter is so amazing. It applies really well. It's like really, really soft, and it's not like like I have the gold, I forget the name of it, the gold highlighter, and that is like crazy gold, like it's a lot. But this one is perfect. Okay, let me stop talking about this because it's taking my lip gloss's shine. But yes, guys, the Fenty Beauty lip gloss is amazing. This one is in the Fenty Glow, and you should definitely go out and try this lip gloss out. It's really nice if you're a lip gloss person, like if you just like to put on lip gloss and nothing else. If you like to layer it on top of your lipsticks, this works really well because, like I said, it's not thick, it's not sticky, it's perfect. It's like a light layer, but it still gives you that shine and gloss that you want. Okay, guys, and those are the products that I wanted to share with you guys. The word of the day is patience. Be patient with yourself, be patient with others. If, for example, you're out there and you're trying out something new, or you're starting a new diet, you're starting a channel on Instagram, creating a new page, be patient, guys. I find that sometimes we want that instant gratification, that instant result, and we can be so hard on ourselves, be hard on the things that we're doing when we realize that things don't usually work that way. Like most times it does not work that way. You do not get that instant gratification. You do not get that instant result. You have to put in work. You have to put in time, and you just have to be patient. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Also remember to subscribe. Until next time.